Today we will learn how to maximize the user form directly when it is open. First we will add a table here for some kind of data, just like we have to take student data. Here we will take the information of the student, like their name. This is a message where you can see that name you cannot take this field name as a name. You should have to change it. Father's name. Now we will put some button over here. We will give it a name, startup screen, that will open automatically and cover up the whole screen whenever we will start this software. We will give a button over here which will command us to this student's data form. will give a macro to this. On click here, select macro builder, and what are you to do? Just you are to open the form. So type here OPEN form and then press enter and select the form which you want to open. So we are to open the student data. So I will click here. You can set the condition before opening the form by using where condition column, and even you can select that the user form will be shown in form or as a design view, print preview, whatever. Here we can also set that whenever the form will open, we should have a new form. We will type here go to record and just select new. Then whenever we will click on this entry button, it will open the student's data form and that form will go to the new form. It is open. Now we will go to the design view and make it as a pop-up screen, and resizable is no, resizable, and we will just change some of the system, just like the control box, no, control button, no, both minimize and maximize button, don't need that, and border style, no, let's just start it. It is showing that search bar and etc. Change it also. Where is that? It is here, record selector, no, navigation button, no. Now you can see form view. Okay. Now it is not movable. Go to the design view and click on the sideware, anywhere of this form, not on this, the side, and then click on load form. On load command, we will set up a macro and just type only maximize window and then enter, save it and close. So if you will open, then it will cover up the whole screen directly. Go to the design view again. Now we will set up an auto exe macro that will start this screen directly whenever we will click on the icon of this user form. For that, we will create macro. Here in this macro, we are not to do too much work. Just type here open form, and here we will select the startup window and save it as the name of auto, AUTOEXEC. Then MS Access will directly select this and start up the program. Now we will just close it down and start the same window again. From here we have made it the user form. You can see that it is covered the whole screen, and here you can see the startup window where you will play. If you will type the name which is not in list and then enter, it will ask us, so you will have to add it. So just click on here. If you will enter this, then it will go to the new form, because we have designed the macro to go to the new form. The old form is here and it is goes to the new form. Okay.